In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best advanced auto parts promo code. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for advanced auto parts promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com, and as you can see right here we have some promo codes that we can use in order to get a discount. For example, if you want to get, let's say, this one right here with 10% of discount, all you need to do is select this option right here, and you will see this promo code that you can copy from right here, and if you apply this promo code on your next purchase, you'll get this 10% discount right here. Also, going back to our main search, we have this website which is called simplycodes.com, and as you can see right here we also have some promo codes that we can use to get a discount. So for example, if I want to get this one with 15% discount right here, all I need to do is select copy code from right here, and this is the promo code right here. I can simply tap on the copy option and I can copy this promo code and apply on my next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.